everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my Christian Louboutin tiny bag tote, and I got it from Neiman's. And it's the tiny version of the large tote bag that I have. It's the larger one I have is identical to this, except it's just larger. And that's the bottom, of course. It's the inside. Just have care instructions. If you don't know how to care for it, just have that on there. And this is a strap if you like to carry your bags with the large strap. But I don't like to use this large strap. And it's like a belt-like strap. This is the inside. It doesn't have a pocket or a zipper on the inside. It's just hollow. It does have this little latch. And again, that's my tiny Christian Louboutin tote. And if you look at my another video I have on my channel, I did an unboxing of my large tote, again, which is identical to this one. It comes with the dust bag. So that's all of my video, you guys, for the unboxing of this tiny Christian Louboutin tote. Thank you all for watching, and you all have an awesome day.